Here we have the checkpoints. Always remember to do the checkpoints on your own, just to make sure that you're getting the hang of these types of problems. Here we're going to find all zeros for the following polynomial, given that 4i is a zero. So here we have a complex zero. So remember that this one's a lot easier than the previous example. So remember they come in pairs, so we have x minus 4i and x plus 4i. And hopefully you still remember, since we have complex pairs, we could say a squared plus b squared. So this is just x squared plus 16. Okay. So we're going to use this to divide into our polynomial. Always check your exponents. Here we're missing the x. So here we're going to say x squared plus 0x plus 16. So don't forget, always check your exponents. If any of them are missing, substitute it with a 0. So this is back to the first term from the inside divided by the first term of the outside. So here we have 3x. Here we have 3x cubed. We could put a plus since it's 0x squared for this one. And then we have 16 times 3x, which is 48x. I'm going to put a minus, so remember that changes the sign inside, so this becomes minus or negative. Well, this 0 doesn't matter, but this one does. So here the first terms is 0, our second term, negative 2x squared minus 0 is just negative 2x squared. 48x minus 48x is 0, so I'll put a 0x. I'll still put a 0 in its place. I'll drop the 32. So here we have negative 2x squared over x squared. So here we have negative 2, so minus 2. So again, here we get 0 and then minus 32. So I'm going to change the sign from the outside, so it changes everything inside. So negative 2x squared plus 2x squared is 0, then the middle terms are 0, then negative 32 plus 32 is 0, so we're good. So we get this. We'll set it equal to 0. We'll solve for x. So x is equal to 2/3. So the zeros for this one, for our function, is x equals to 2/3. We have our complex, so we could just put them as well. So plus equals plus or minus the 4i.